Hey, this is Caesar with Dealer Scan. I'm just going to show you the problem we're solving. I'm here at a Ford dealership in Orlando. And here's the problem we're solving. See all these files? You guys know how this goes. Files everywhere, repair orders everywhere. Well, I'm going to show you how easy it is. My friend Carmen's going to help me here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to scan a repair order. This is a Reynolds and Reynolds implementation. You can see the barcodes on the repair order. All you have to do is pretty simple. Click on repair order. Click scan repair order. We're gonna scan front and back, and we're gonna read the barcode off of the repair order document so the person that's scanning doesn't have to type any numbers. You see, the arrow number shows up on the screen, which is the same arrow on this paper, and you're done. Turns it into a PDF. Now anyone in the dealership can see the arrow. That's how easy it is. I just show you how to scan an arrow in less than 30 seconds.